Hello everyone, Gerald here. It's that time of the year again. It's time for Gaahleri Day. Welcome back. Over the past year, we've been listening closely to creators around the world. And because everyone works differently, we are constantly adapting ourselves to explore new ways to make the creative journey even better. With that in mind, we've been working on more than just new products. This year, we have improved how we build our products, created new spaces where creators can learn, create, and experience them, introduced new tools, launched a brand new support platform, and continued building a better experience for creators of every step of their journey. From August 8th through September 15th, Gaahleri Day brings it all together with new product launches, exclusive offers, special bundles, and plenty more to look forward to throughout the months. We would also want to say thank you for your continued support. Without it, we wouldn't be where we are today. So, thank you. We've got a lot to share today, so let's get started. One of the biggest changes we've made this year wasn't just a new product. It was the evolution of the system behind every product we build. Because a truly reliable product requires more than grid design. It requires a mature, standardized, and repeatable manufacturing system. And today, we want to show you the foundation behind everything we create. Covering 2,000 square meters, our production facility brings together 55 Citizen high-precision Swiss-type CNC machines, automated systems and dedicated engineering and production teams under one standardized manufacturing system. Connected through integrated ERP, MES, and AGV management systems, every stage of production is continuously monitored and optimized. During product development, we explore multiple structural solutions, build prototypes, and conduct repeated testing to find the optimal design. But achieving a grid design is only the first step. The real challenge is transforming that precision into consistent quality across every production unit. Behind this manufacturing system is a team of R&D engineers, process engineers, and production specialists, continuously improving every manufacturing standard. Alongside this standardized manufacturing system, we further upgraded our end-to-end quality inspection standards. From raw materials to final shipment, the entire process is controlled through 4 critical checkpoints. First one, IQC, Incoming Quality Control. Before entering production, all incoming materials must pass inspections covering dimensions, material quality, and surface condition. Only after meeting all standards can they move into manufacturing. Second stage, IPQC, in Process Quality Control. During production, our engineering, process, and quality teams work together to define inspection standards. Technicians perform first piece verification, in-process inspections, and sampling checks throughout manufacturing. Every critical measurement is recorded and fed back to our engineering team, allowing continuous optimization of future processes. Number 3, FQC, Final Quality Control. After complete assembly, every product goes through 5 stages of final inspection before it can be approved for shipment. This includes 2 real spray performance tests, where spray pattern, atomization performance, and air tightness are verified against our standards. Appearance, performance, and critical functions are all verified against our standards. If it doesn't pass, it doesn't ship. OQC, Outgoing Quality Control. At the final stage, every package goes through one last verification process. We check packaging, labels, and production batches, and confirm all accessories are fully included, ensuring every product reaches its owner complete, verified, and ready to create. This manufacturing evolution strengthens the foundation behind everything we create. Through engineering validation, process optimization, and strict quality control, we continue to transform ideas into products creators can trust. And in our showroom, you can see the results of this pursuit, a complete range of tools, colors, and solutions designed for creators. Whether you are trying airbrushing for the first time or looking to refine your skills, our Experience Center provides the tools, guidance, and environment to create with confidence. With complete equipment, professional guidance, and Gaahleri airbrushes and paints ready to use, creators can simply walk and begin their painting journey without needing to prepare an entire setup on their own. Among the products built through this evolving system, Aventus II represents one of the first milestones. Every refinement on Aventus II embodies the precision, engineering, and production benchmarks of our revamped workflow. We've gathered extensive feedback from creators worldwide, and every piece of input has guided this new iteration of the Aventus line. One of the biggest upgrades focuses on the nozzle system. We redesigned the stainless steel nozzle cap and further optimized the precision between the nozzle and nozzle cap. Especially for the quick release structure, improved concentricity delivers more consistent airflow, more even atomization, and more reliable detail control. The middle section and rear body now feature aluminum alloy anodizing combined with 220 grit sandblasting and polishing process, creating a finer surface texture and a more refined finish. We also upgraded the electroplasting process through more stable plating solutions and tighter process control, improving surface gloss and corrosion resistance. During development, we tested multiple spring materials while continuously refining key spring parameters, including wire diameter and preload. After extensive testing of trigger pressure, spring response, and overall operation feel, we finalized the current spring setup for smoother actuation, smoother return, and more consistent control. Every improvement you will just see serves one purpose: to give creators a tool they can trust, project after project, because true precision isn't defined by a single perfect result. It's about delivering the same confidence, control, and consistency every time you create. Higher precision, greater consistency, more reliable performance. From the finest details to the biggest projects, Aventus II is built to help creators bring every vision to life. Next is a product shaped by creators for creators, introducing the Rex Aventus Holder. Developed in collaboration with internationally recognized model creators Barbatos Rex, every detail is inspired by years of real-world building and painting experience. Its modular design makes installation quick and easy. The ergonomic shape provides a more natural full-hand grip, while the soft rubber rear section improves comfort and control during longer painting sessions. Further enhance the comfort for you while using the Aventus. Because a grit creative tool is not only about precision, but also about comfort and control. It should feel just as good in your hand. Other than the Rex version, we also have our own official versions as well, available in 3 different color setups. Every creator knows the importance of a properly mixed paint, but it doesn't have to be done by hand. We aim to get your paint perfectly mixed automatically. Say hello to our next products, Voortex, our first automatic paint shaker.
Every single time you build, you spend half your time shaking. Furious shaking. The result? A clogged airbrush anyway. It's time to stop the manual madness. Now, let Voortex do the shaking. 3,500 revolutions per minute. In the face of pure Voortex force, rock-solid pigments are instantly pulverized and liquefied in seconds. Fully compatible with all 35 to 125 millimeter bottles. Simple press, 3 modes. Twist it clockwise to set up to a 3-minute smart timer with an LED progress countdown. All you do is drop the bottle and walk away.
Voortex transforms paint preparation into a smarter and more consistent step in your creative workflow. Its intelligent Voortex mixing system quickly restores separated pigments, bringing paint back to a smooth and even consistency before every spray. With the true automatic operation, simply place your bottle and let Voortex handle the mixing process from start to finish. No manual shaking, no constant monitoring, just constant preparation every time. Designed for universal compatibility, Voortex adapts to a wide range of paint bottles and collections, supporting sizes from 10 ml to 60 ml across different brands. From everyday colors to metallic and pearl finishes, Voortex delivers a faster, easier, and more reliable preparation experience. Every grit finish begins with control. That's the idea behind the Atlas painting handle. Named after the figure in Greek mythology known for his strength and unwavering support, Atlas painting handle is built to bring that same sense of stability to your creative process. When you're painting the smallest details, even the slightest movement can make all the difference. A steady foundation doesn't just make the work easier, it gives you the confidence to focus on the craft itself. Machined from solid CNC aluminum, it delivers a premium industrial feel with the durability to stand up to every project. Its precision 360-degree ratchet mechanism locks your model securely on the angle you need, giving you complete control over every brush stroke and every finishing touch. The magnetic platform lets you swap parts effortlessly, making it easy to move between different stages of a build without breaking your workflow. The textured ergonomic grip keeps the handle comfortable and secure, while built-in storage keeps your essential tools right where you need them. And with the integrated tip-match testing surface, you can check color and brush flow before they ever reach your model. Because grit tools don't just hold your work, they help you stay in control of it. This is Atlas painting handle, built to support every detail. Grit tools deserve grit colors. We are also expanding the RapidAir lineup. Mecha B and Auto B is here. Built on the same RapidAir formula creators already trust. They deliver fast drying, excellent coverage, smooth atomization, and durable results straight from the bottle. What makes them different is their focus. Mecha B expands on mecha palettes with carefully refined colors inspired by iconic robots, military tones, shadow grays, and industrial metallics, giving builders even more authentic options without the need for custom mixing. Auto B takes our automotive lineup even further with OEM-inspired colors, refined pearl finishes, and striking new chameleon effects that recreate the depth of real automotive points. More choices, more possibilities. And exploring those possibilities should be just as intuitive. That's why we created Color Lab. Color Lab is our digital color platform designed to help creators explore, match, mix, and save colors before they ever reach the paint booth. Whether you're recreating a reference, experimenting with new combinations, or generating precise mixing formulas, Color Lab makes every color decision faster, easier, and more confident. Together, RapidAir and Color Lab create a complete color ecosystem from inspiration to planning to painting. Building great products is only part of what we do. Helping you get the most out of them matters just as much. That's why we are introducing Gaahleri Support, a single place for everything you need throughout your creative journey. Explore product information, in-depth guides, video tutorials, FAQs, and practical tips, all designed to help you create with confidence. It's also where you will find the latest product releases, event updates, and important notifications. And whenever you have a question, run into a problem, or simply have feedback to share, our team is there to listen and help. Because great support shouldn't stop after you buy a product. Same goes to rewards. That's why one of the most important features in Gaahleri Support is the Gaahleri ID. Whether you bought your airbrush or Gaahleri products from Amazon, your local resellers, or anywhere, as long as you have the digital or official receipts, you can submit them to us to redeem your reward points. Then you can use your reward points for further discounts, for perks, and so much more. We have big plans coming your way on this. Here in Gaahleri, we are always pushing the boundaries on what we can do for this industry. We're always thinking on how we can change the game. That's the way. We are very excited to bring you our next innovation. This time, we are doing things a bit differently. We would like to introduce you two of our key launches for this year, both arriving soon on our website and Kickstarter. This is a very exciting journey for us. One paint system, two ways. Introducing the Omni series paint, now featuring military and miniature colors. Built on the foundation of RapidAir technology and powered by our exclusive OmniShift technology, the Omni series is engineered to deliver outstanding performance for both brush painting and airbrushing. Brush when you want out of the bottle. When you need to spray, just add thinner to unlock smooth, consistent RapidAir airbrush performance. Excellent coverage, smooth leveling, outstanding adhesion, durable and scratch-resistant finish, all while still being water-based, safe and odorless. More details, including the complete Omni series colors, lineup, launch information, and early bird offers will be revealed soon. Be sure to visit our official website and follow our socials to stay updated and reserve your launch benefits. And every grit paint system deserves an equally capable source of air. It's time for a second key launch of the year. Something new is on the way. The all-new TurboX Pro is coming soon. More power, less noise. With up to 35 psi or 2.5 bar of working air pressure, a built-in air tank, and intelligent variable frequency control, TurboX Pro delivers smooth, consistent airflow for everything from fine detail work to larger projects. Since we made it much smaller in size, we've managed to make it mobile as well. It features a 3500 mAh battery, so you can bring your TurboX Pro out and paint with your friends anytime, anywhere. Built for creators who demand stable performance and a better painting experience. Whether you're building scale models, painting miniatures, creating artwork, or taking on your next big project, TurboX Pro is built to deliver reliable performance every step of the way. Together with Omni series paint, TurboX Pro will officially arrive at Gaahleri soon. Visit our official website or Kickstarter to learn more and secure exclusive launch benefits and early bird pricing as an early supporter. Join us and be among the first to experience our latest innovations. Of course, no Gaahleri Day will be complete without something special. From August 8th through September 15th, enjoy site-wide deals with up to 48% discount, limited time offers, and our weekly flash sales featuring some of our favorite products at special prices. We will also have exclusive rewards, fun interactive games like our Speed Tap game, and more surprises waiting for you on our official website throughout the event. Be sure to check back each week. You never know what might be coming next. And that concludes this year's Gaahleri Day. Today, we've shared more than a lineup of new products. We've shared how Gaahleri continues to grow alongside the creators who inspire us every day. From more capable tools to an expanding paint system to a new support platform designed to help you long after your first unboxing. But no matter what we build next, one thing never changes. We listen, we refine. To everyone who has supported Gaahleri, thank you for your trust, for your feedback, and for growing with us. We can't wait to see what you will create next. Welcome to Gaahleri Day. Let's change the game together.